Okay guys, I'm making another video on the study guide, working every single problem again. Okay, first of all, the first one says, what is the slope of the line? So we're going to label this y sub 2, x sub 2, y sub 1, x sub 1. So my slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So that gives me my slope equals 4 minus 3 divided by 8 minus 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 0 is 8. Therefore, my slope is 1/8. Number 2, what is the slope of the proportional relationship graph? We're going to look at the graph. I'm going to find 2 points. This is the first point, 0, 0. Here's the second point, 4, 1. Okay, so this is 0, 0. This is the point 4, 1. Okay, I'm going to do a rise of 1 and a run of 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, my slope is rise over run, which equals 1/4. Okay, here it says 3 runners are training for a marathon. One day they run about 10 miles at their own constant speed. The constant speed is considered the slope. It says the graph shows how long in minutes it takes run of 1 to run. Okay, d miles. So again, this is my y. This is my rise. I'm going to pick this point here in the origin. So my rise is 20. My run is 2. Okay. So my slope here is 20 divided by 2, which is 10 over 1. Okay. Here, number 2 says the equation that relates to run of 2 distance in miles and time is t equals 8 and 5/10 d. So the equation y equals mx plus b. We don't have to do a plus b here because there is no b in this equation. So our slope lines up with 8 and 5/10. So therefore, our slope is 8 and 5/10. Okay. Number 3, it says the run of 3's information is in a table. Okay, if we look at the table up here, our distance is x. So here, our distance will be x. My time is y. So that's going to be y. So we want to find out, okay, what is the change? Change in x from 2 to 4 is an adding of 2. My change in y is an adding of 18. Okay, therefore, my slope is my change in y over change in x. Change in y, again, is 18. Change in x is 2. The number that's divided into both is 2. 2 goes into 18 9 times, and it goes into itself 1 time.